Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a bullshark. Things you'll need for this video is going to be paper, your pencil, and your markers. Now let's get right into it. First thing we're going to start for our bullshark is going to be the eye. So we're going to start with a little circle right here, a little circle inside. Then we're going to make a line that goes here, and it's going to make one bump and then another one. And it's gonna make a line right here that makes a bump kinda all the way to here and then all the way down. Then right here, you're gonna make a line that goes out all the way up, then it goes here. And same thing right there. Then you make a line that goes right here, takes a curve, a line right here. Line that goes up to here. Then a line right here is going to go here, get a line right there, and from this line, go all the way to here with some triangles with teeth. Then we're going to make a line that goes here, and then we're going to make a curved line right here to go up to there. It's going to be like a triangle shape all the way to here. Then you're going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. At the top of each one, you're gonna make another little tiny line. Then you can add some lines in the fin, 2 lines right there, and a line right here. And right here, you're gonna make like a triangle shape. Then you're gonna continue to that line that you made right there. That's gonna space, and it's gonna stop again, make another triangle shape, and then it's gonna end right here. Then right here, you're gonna make a line that goes all the way to here. You can make it like a curved line to this spin, and then it's gonna go right here. And then we make another big curved line until it reaches right here. And right here, you're gonna make a big line right here, go down, and make like a little hook shape. And it's right here. It's gonna should look a lot like this. So this should be your bullshark. Like, how would I say this? The sketch. We're done. Gosh. Okay, this will be the colors you'll need for the rest of this. You'll need like you need like this type of color, kinda, for like this entire part. Then you'll need a brown. Then you'll need like a yellowish color, like that. And you would also need a gray. These should be all your colors. And I'm gonna fast forward through all of this. And I'll see you guys when I'm done. people, this is what your bull shark should look like when you've finished. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in next one.